Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to your new lecture on Loci. We've already discussed some of it in O2, but we'll formally discuss it right now. In your syllabus, okay, firstly, what is Loci? Loci is the plural form of locus, which means a particular place or a position where a point can be found. और आपके syllabus के अंदर there are total of 4 different scenarios जहाँ पे आपको questions आ सकते हैं and we'll be looking at all 4 of these and how we can calculate these और उसके बाद we'll be doing a past paper question. सबसे पहले the word might be new to you people but the concept is not very difficult. The first thing is आपको question इस तरह का आ सकता है, उसमें कहा होगा find a point which is at a given distance from a certain point. For example, ये A part के लिए we have this dot and we'll call it A. So the locus of a point is 7 centimeters from point A. Where can the point lie? तो जब आपको इस तरह का क्वेश्चन आएगा, जब वो कहते हैं कि एक पॉइंट के इर्द गिर्द दूसरा पॉइंट है, तो आपने that point can only lie in a circle around your given point. Okay, so for example, ये जो हमने wait, let me change the color of this. So our point can only lie on this blue circle. ठीक है, this means the question was कि आपका point इस A point से कुछ सेंटीमीटर्स दूर है, let's say 7 centimeters. We used a compass to make a 7 centimeter circle, a 7 centimeter radius circle around point A, and we say that our point can only lie on the blue line. Okay, the second situation is at a given distance from a straight line. पहले at a given distance from a point था, and now you're given a straight line. So for this students, the point can be above the line or below the line. So what you're going to do is you are going to put the compass on 2 points of this line, और फिर आपने देखना गिवन डिस्टेंस कितना दिया हुआ है. लेट्स से वो कहते हैं कि 2 सेंटीमीटर्स है, तो आपने 2 सेंटीमीटर्स का कंपास रख के एक आर्क यहाँ पे लगानी है, एक आर्क नीचे लगानी है, और सिमिलरली यहाँ पर भी 2 आर्क्स लगा देनी है. एंड इवेंचुअली you have to draw a tangent line to both these arcs. So the point can lie on any of these 2 lines because they are equidistant from this red line. Okay, the next is equidistance from 2 given points. This one's easy, we've already done this. We just have to make a perpendicular bisector. You have to place your compass on the first point, on point A first, and then you have to make an arc. Similarly for B, you have to make an arc, and then you have to make your perpendicular bisector like we've already discussed. So this is your perpendicular bisector, and this point will always be, this line will always be equidistant from point A and B. And lastly, you have equidistance from 2 given intersecting lines. So this is basically an angle bisector, which we've already discussed. You have to put your compass, on either points, either lines, and you have to draw 2 arcs. When you draw these arcs, you have to bisect this angle, and this line will always be equidistant. So because मेरे पास compass नहीं है तो मैं एक roughly lines बना रहा हूँ, but ये जब हमने O2 में angle bisector पढ़ा था, ये exactly वही concept है. Moving on to this question, which says shade the region that satisfies both of the following conditions. The first condition is the points are less than 7 centimeter from x. So firstly, what we're going to do is, whoa, we mark a point on x and we draw a circle around it that's around 7 centimeters. Let me draw the circle. Wait, apparently I can't draw a circle. I have drawn an oval, sadly. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, now we have a circle, and let's say this is a 7 centimeter circle. So the first point said you have the points are less than 7 centimeters from x. So the point cannot exceed this circle because this circle is 7 centimeters. We have to make a bigger. Okay, let's say this is your 7 centimeter circle. And the second part is the points are nearer to y than x. So for this you need to make a perpendicular bisector. So that would be something like this. You put your compass on x and draw two arcs. Then you put your compass on y and draw two arcs. And then you join the two. Again, I am roughly drawing it because I don't know where your arcs will be. Let's say these are your this is your perpendicular bisector. Now let's see what region satisfies both the conditions. तो पहला जो आपका था कंडीशन जो थी वो थी पॉइंट्स x से 7 सेंटीमीटर से दूर नहीं है. तो हमने एक सर्कल बनाया जो 7 सेंटीमीटर का सर्कल था, यानी कि ये सारे जो पॉइंट्स हैं ये इस सर्कल के अंदर ही लाई कर सकते हैं. तो मैं इस सर्कल को थोड़ा सा शेड कर रहा हूँ. So our points can lie in this circle only. Now secondly, you're also told that your points are nearer to y than x. Then we drew another line and our point is nearer to y. This is y. So our point should be nearer to y than x. The red region satisfies the second part of the question. The yellow region satisfies the first part of the question. And this orange region that I'm going to highlight now, let me highlight a little more. This region that I'm shading right now, this is the eventual region, the intersection of both the regions where the point can lie. So this is how you solve loci questions. You can go through them in from past papers as well. I believe they're not very difficult, but if you have any difficulty, you can ask me. Yep, that's it for today. Thank you so much.